Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Lyndon RC215 back with another video. Yes, sir. And today I'm doing my first boxing on my channel. First unboxing on my channel. Yes, sir. Look what we got. We got that Rlaarlo. You know what I mean? Rlaarlo Rally Car. The XTS-F10 Rally Car, baby. 110 scale. Yes, sir. Woo, man, I'm happy I got this joint. It took a while to get here, but I'm glad I got it, man. I'm happy, man. But all right, it's not gonna be a long unboxing because I know it's hundreds of unboxings of these, so I'm gonna just do it Lyndon RC21 style, 215 way. Yes, sir. So yeah, this is the box right here. So we're gonna open this thing up. Yes, sir. This is what you get. You know what I mean? First open it up. You get all your little straps. You get some stickers, spare parts. You get some little tools, battery charger, which I won't be using. You get your pinging gear, the high-speed pinging gear, and yeah, other little goodies in there. Right here, you get the remote. It's a rebranded Dumbo RC remote. Got all your buttons in here, controls. Done seen us before. 350 meter range. Yeah. But let's get to the best part of the video. Best part is the car, baby. Whoo, look at that baby. Woo wee. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. Let's take this out the box. Wow. I'm having trouble getting it out. It don't want to come out. All right, but I'll be right back. Let me get this out the box. Go. All right, man. Here we go. We back. We got her out the box. Oh, man. I'm about to do one of the satisfying things to do in RCs. Peel that plastic off. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. There she go. This thing is crazy. Dang. Yo, she look nice, man. Oh, man, look at that thing. She looking nice. Crazy. Yes. Let's take a peek in the inside. I already done unclipped the body. As you see, it's a clipless body. Man, this thing. Ooh, here she go. She looks gorgeous. Yikes. Man. Hey, I'm getting the feeling she gonna be my favorite car, man. She might be my #1 favorite car. I ain't even ride it yet. But all right, you got your 3300 kV motor with the heat sink and fan. You got your 2 receiver boxes. Got your servo right here. It comes with a 3S battery. They go to 60 amp ESC brushless. My bag. 60 amp ESC. Run the 2 to 3S on it. Aluminum shock towers front and back. I mean, so I ain't really got to go over it that much. I mean, if you've seen other videos, you know what's included, what it comes with. The lights. Yeah. But man, this thing looks nice, man. Woo, I can't wait to get out and run it. I cannot wait. Yes, sir. that body back down. Oh yeah. You know what I mean? But you know what I mean, like I said, quick little unboxing, my first unboxing of the Rlaarlo Rally Car, man. Can't wait to get out. I'm gonna do some little changes to it too. Another video gonna be coming to that. What changes I'm gonna do to. I'm probably put my own stickers, stuff like that. That'll be another video coming up before the first run. And yeah, man, just want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate the Fun Zone. Yeah, I mean, I want to shout out Urban Legend, Louis Fix It, Icon RC, Corey GNC RC, RC Crazy, Trail Crawlers RC. I hope I ain't missed nobody else, but yeah, I mean, y'all, man, appreciate y'all. All right, man, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.